And new tonight, a lawsuit's been filed against an international boarding school in Thornwood for the wrongful death of a 17-year-old Italian citizen who committed suicide after being punished by the school. News 12's Angelica Taruno has that story.
On behalf of Claudio Mandia's parents, Mauro Mandia and Elisabetta Benesato, and their attorney, they're asking for the legislation of Claudio's law.
To subject even private educational institutions to the same standards of conduct, the same standards of care that public schools are required to treat their children.
Claudio was in his senior year at EF Academy when he hung himself on February 17th after he was put in solitary confinement for nearly 4 days for cheating on a math assignment.
Had Claudio been treated under the same standards that apply under New York state law in the Department of Education, Claudio would be here with us today.
The lawsuit points the finger at school officials for isolating Claudio, knowing his mental health was suffering, saying he was enduring serious personal and academic hardships.
Completely irresponsible and frankly reckless in the disregard for the safety, the well-being, and the mental health of Claudio Mandia.
The boarding school said in a statement that reads in part, quote, "The filing contains multiple inaccurate statements. In particular, the student was awaiting his departure from the school in an unlocked student dorm room, and at no time was he placed in solitary confinement without social interactions or access to other resources and facilities." Bocchetto acknowledges the door was unlocked from the inside, but Mandia was forbidden to leave. And for the first time, we heard from Claudio's parents.
He had charisma. He was a very handsome guy that always helped, and
lots of friends.
He was a very open guy.
They hope Claudio's law can avoid another tragedy like the one their family has suffered. In White Plains, Angelica Taruno, News 12.
And a criminal investigation continues in that case.